Don't mind me, everybody. I'm just over here driving through Iowa. Landed in Des Moines and headed over up to Waterloo. Enjoying the pretty farmland, the rolling hills. It's just beautiful out here, guys. Just absolutely beautiful. I'll tell you a funny story. The first time I ever came to Iowa, I flew in and I had a layover in Minnesota, but
In 10 miles, turn left onto Marsh Avenue.
Okay, 10 miles. Somehow my flights got all messed up, and I ended up driving from Minneapolis down to, I want to say it was Des Moines, but I don't remember for sure. Anyway, that's beside the point. So I don't know if you guys can see it on the video, but over there are a bunch of windmills, and me being a little Kentucky girl did not know. I mean, yes, I knew about windmills. I've seen them before, but not at night. So I had to be at my account that next day. So like I said, my flights got messed up, so it was late at night, and I was driving down through Iowa, and then across the horizon I could see all of these red lights that would light up all at once, and then they would go off, and then they would come back on, and then they would go back off. And I had no idea what it was. So I called Eric. You know, me being the little naive person that I am, called him and asked him, you know, what all those red lights were, and them trying to be funny, asked him if I was going to be abducted by aliens or something, and of course he got a big kick out of it, and he called me silly and told me that they were windmills. So you know, if you can't laugh at yourself, then what fun is life? I mean, you gotta have a little fun, even if it's at your own expense on occasion. So anyway, there's my funny story for the day. Hope y'all are doing well. Thank you all for watching. We truly do appreciate every like. If you don't mind to go ahead and hit that like button. Leave us a comment. The comments really help too. Leave us a comment and let us know what you like or what you don't like, or you know, if we're doing everything wrong or whatever. Everybody's entitled to their own opinions. Everybody's doing good. We haven't had any more incidences with the raccoons. Watch its tail. She gets to nursing, or I don't remember if that one's a heifer or a bull calf. Of course, flies are bad too. It's a nice foggy, humid morning.
Yep,
And
that's
I
our
believe it's, 92 calved this morning. moving. I know it won't, the camera won't focus itself. There it went.
Yep, it's a brand new one.
Yep, brand new. Good job, Mama. He said he thinks it's another heifer. Be still, Mama. Let her eat.
She needs to get around to the other side. That's her. Yeah, she'll get it.
Oh, she's trying. You gotta get one in your mouth, baby, before you start doing that. She says, hello, friend. You gonna be my friend? You gotta get to the back, sweetie.
You'll worry yourself to death sitting here watching them like that.
I know.
Think, well, they ain't never gonna get it. And when they finally get,
Look, they're sweet.
she's like, "Come on, dummy, you take after your daddy." Maybe a 58 calf. Awful small dude, 58. Look, he's sucking on her ear now.
Aw.
Shut up, too. Loudmouth. Man.
She is now. Aw. That's so sweet.
Put that baby in the shade.
Yeah. Need to check on it on our way back home. Again, it's supposed to be super hot today. We got a green truck. Taking it home.
Look, windshield wipers work.
I don't think you need those today. I don't think you'll be needing them today. It's hot today, guys. Really, really hot. And look. Good morning, everybody. I got 5 of my little leghorns are laying. None of the colored ones. Well, good morning to you too. None of the colored ones have started laying yet, but they will. They're always slower than the leghorns. They woke up hungry this morning. Gotta get them some more layer pellets. They've got enough for a little bit. They've still got some crumble. I offer both till they all start laying.
What? 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 I can't understand a word you're saying. What? What?
Good morning. Good morning, beautiful. Well, Fancy, I'm sorry you're going. wish we could have her. Hi, buddy. At 4. I hope that comes out on video. There is a water spout out there. There it is. I see it now. That is too cool. That is too cool. I've never seen one of those. This is Lake Pontchartrain. I'm going over Lake Pontchartrain right now. Just flew into New Orleans. That's pretty awesome, but it's also a little bit terrifying because I don't know, is that like a tornado over water? Am I gonna die on this bridge? It's a little concerning. So this is Lake Pontchartrain. This is, I'm on my way back over. Today's the next day from where I showed the water spout. Beautiful day. We're headed back towards New Orleans now. And if you didn't know, I think this bridge is the 9th longest bridge in the world. I'm not for sure exactly how many miles long it is, but I'm staying on here for 24 miles before I have to turn. I'm headed back to the airport. Anyway, it's not very deep. It's not technically a lake that we're going over. It is more of an estuary, so it's not very deep. I think the average depth is 14 feet, something like that. I'm told there's a lot of manatee in this lake, and I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's some green floating out there, so to show you just how shallow the water is. So he's cut the 100-acre farm again, and he has got it raked and rolling now, as you can see. He had originally told me I needed to come out here and roll for him, or rake for him, and so he just texted about the time I was pulling in to not worry about it. We would finish it tomorrow. But he does have the most of it done, so all of this is raked just on the back side of the farm where it you have to go down to the creek and kind of go across there. Anyway, that's what we're doing. Must be bath time. I think that's 23. Her calf was awfully red this time. Although she won't. Yep, it's 23. Got a couple laying here. 58. And then there's the one in front of her, and then 3 laying behind her. Got a couple in the pond over there. But I'm specifically looking for 92. Eric said this morning that he was afraid that calf was getting scars. Diarrhea, for those who don't know. I think it's 92 down there. So we're gonna go out here and loop around. A couple out there in the pond. It's not very hot today. It's 86, but still, it's a lot cooler than it has been. Yep, that's 92 there. So her Calf is the youngest one that we've got. So I'll get out and see if I can make her get up. Okay, I think as I was saying, Eric said I needed to make sure I saw 92's calf, which is right here. I ran home or ran to Southern States. Well, I drove, but got to Southern States, got 2 boluses. We gave a bolus and a half to treat for Skyers, and I tried to give some of this Resorb glucose. We got about half, well, not quite half of a bottle in him. Hopefully that does the trick for him. I did talk to the vet, and he's gonna put a shot of something. I'm not sure what he called it, honestly. He's gonna leave it in his mailbox, and I'll swing by and pick it up later when he texts me, and then we'll come back out here and I'll give it to him. Edie come and help me give the bolus. I have never done that before. I didn't want to accidentally stick it in his windpipe or something with me not knowing what I was doing. So we got a bolus and a half to treat 75 pounds. He said they were 50-pound boluses, so we gave 1.5, and hopefully he does okay. He's not dehydrated completely. He did pee a little bit. I did see that. I didn't get the calf on video this morning, but he's doing much better this morning. He's up and walking around, staying right with his mama now, instead of just laying underneath the tree over there pooping all over the place. So he's definitely better this morning. So that's really good, really good. We fed them and on the ground there, and sprayed them, fly spray. The flies are really bad right now, but the rest of the group is out there. So, but yeah, so it's good. He's doing a lot better. We're happy. There's the calf that was sick. We got him treated. He's at least up and moving around and stuff now. He was yesterday too, so he's still got a pasty butt, but he's not laying in liquid poo now, so we're still going to keep a really close eye on him and make sure that he makes a full recovery if we have to treat him again. He's hollering for his mama. She's over yonder under the tree. But he's doing better. So this is a first for me, guys. I've never done the bush hog before, and I've already gotten all of the front field done. The calves are back here in this back field, so I'm only going to do sections of it where the cows are not. I don't want to risk running over a calf, so we will not be doing that. But I think it looks pretty good out there. Oh, and just another update on the sick calf that we had. He's doing really good this morning. Still getting around with his mom, so I think he's out of the woods. We will still continue to keep an eye on him and treat again if we need to. So, but for now, he's doing great. Well, he took it down, and no! We are going to be putting a new clean grain elevator in this today. My son is coming over to help. So Let's see how this goes. Cows are doing good this morning. The sick calf is fine now, so they're a little angry that we didn't feed them this morning. But they'll be alright. Got several in the barn yelling at him. And you said it's a clean grain elevator chain, right? Okay. So there's a chain in here that runs and lifts the clean grain, and it's really loose. It's got a lot of slop in it.
No more adjustment.
And he says there's not any more adjustment, but you see how loose it is. So we've got to replace it. Okay, this is what the new one looks like, y'all. So we're gonna take a link apart and hook the new to it. Pull the old out as we're pulling the new in at the same time, right?
That's the plan.
That's the plan. It'll be fine.
That is. It'll be fine.
It'll be fine. I don't know what he was doing this morning, but he threw his hand out and said, "It'll be fine." So that's the new running joke. And our new hand signal. Fine. I don't think that that's going to be very good video against the sky, but kind of is what it is. It's pretty.
Not a very good video because of this guy. Is that what you said?
Well, I should have brought the GoPro.
Yeah, it's charged.
Yeah. He said there's something broke down there that he's going to have to bring the welder over here and do some welding on.
The sprocket's just spinning on the shaft. I run it the other day. Just to see if everything would work. And I noticed that one of the sensors was showing that this auger wasn't turning. So I just assumed, it's just maybe the sensor was going bad or whatever, but I see why now. It was actually working like it's supposed to.
Well, that's good, I guess. In a way. So you're trying to take the chain apart now, right? Is what you're doing.
It would be easier if I could get it turned to where I could it should have a master link somewhere on it, and if I could get to that, I'd just take it apart there, but who knows, it will be all the way at the top.
Do you want me to go up top and turn it? Because you was turning it a while ago. And because I don't know what the master link looks like. So you would need to be down here for that. But I could go up there and turn it because it was turning. It looked like it was turning pretty easy earlier.
That's Tristan.
Yes, it's him.
Since he's here, we'll try that.
Okay.
And let's see if we can get the. All right, may have to put tension back on it to get it turned.
So what's broke?
This.
Can you take the camera and show?
Yeah, this sprocket right here is just moving around on the shaft, so it's not turning the auger, but every so often. So that's not good because that's your main auger going into the tank, or main elevator going into the tank. This has got to work.
So I got our son's here. my son. He's looking for the master link in that chain. Eric is up top turning it. You should have started turning it around backwards. I think they pulled the whole length of chain around, but they found it, so it had to have been just past. Yeah, he's got a chain break and stuff there. I don't know.
Where's the pliers so I can pull this car key out?
You know, from Happy Gilmore.
And so how do those half links work?
Huh?
How do those half links work? I got that one out. I got the pin.
Yeah. Take it off.
Yeah, right there.
And you just put your master link in right there.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And tighten it up at the top.
So do I need to take another link out?
We'll see. We'll try and. No, I want to tighten it up to there, and if we have to later, then we'll take it. Put that in my toolbox, please.
What are you looking for?
That other little U-shaped piece.